Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, March 14th, 2021. It is 9:09 and 31 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, the origins of money. So let's hop to it. On the origins of money, ancient European hoards full of standardized bronze objects. Early Bronze Age cultures traded in bronze objects as standardized weight. Date January 20th, 2021. Source Plus. Summary. In the early Bronze Age of Europe, ancient people used bronze objects as an early form of money, even going so far as to standardize the shape and weight of their currency, according to a new study. Money is an important feature of modern human society. One key feature of money is standardization. But this can be difficult to identify in the archaeological record, since ancient people had inexact forms of measurement compared with today. In this study, the authors assessed possible money from the early Bronze Age, as Central Europe, comparing the objects based on their perceived, if not precise, similarity. The objects studied were made of bronze in shapes described as rings, ribs, and axe blades. The researchers examined more than 5,000 such objects from more than 100 ancient hoards. They statistically compared the objects' weights using a psychology principle known as the Weber fraction, which quantifies the concept that if objects are similar enough in mass, a human weighing them by hand can't tell the difference. The researchers found that even though the objects' weights varied around 70%, the rings were similar enough to have been indistinguishable by hand, averaging about 195 grams, as were some sets of the ribs and axe blades. The researchers suggest that this consistent similarity in shape and weight, along with the fact that these objects often occurred in hoards, are signs of their use as an early form of standardized currency. Later, in the Middle Bronze Age of Europe, more precise weighing tools appear in the archaeological record, along with an increase in scrap bronze, pointing to a development system of weighing. The euros of prehistory came in the form of bronze rings, ribs, and axes. These early Bronze Age artifacts were standardized in shape and weight, and used as an early form of money. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and anthropology. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.